When thoughts arise that pull away from peace and inner sight, they carry seeds of suffering and dim the steady light. They move through action, word or silence, through urging or consent. No matter how they come to be, their course leads discontent. Thoughts that turn against the path will always cloud the way. No matter how they first appear, they lead the mind astray. Yet every moment holds a choice, a quieter direction found, where higher qualities take root and harmony is crowned. From grasping comes the fear of loss. From anger, hardened lines, from holding tight to what will fade, the heart forgets its signs. But when the self is seen as shared through every face and form, the urge to harm or separate begins to lose its storm. Thoughts that turn against the path will always cloud the way. No matter how they first appear, they lead the mind astray. Yet every moment holds a choice, a quieter direction found, where higher qualities take root and harmony is crowned. Greed dissolves when all is known as part of one clear field. Anger softens into care when unity is real. Attachment loosens when the heart learns where true joy resides, not in the part that fades with time, but where the whole abides. By turning thought toward what aligns with truth that does not break, the patterns born of ignorance release the paths they make. Through steady awareness, step by step, the higher self draws near, and peace unfolds as living ground where clarity is clear. Aligned, aware, at peace. Ooh.